an Alberta emergency alert. The County of Grande Prairie has issued an evacuation alert. This alert is, in effect, for everyone located from Township Road 750 to Township Road 730 and Range Road 32 and Smoky River. The wildfire is now 4
Township Road 750 to Township Road 730 and Range
for a
Road
possible
32 and
evacuation.
Smoky River.
Fuel your
The
vehicles and
wildfire
gather
is
packs.
now 4 kilometers east of TP
And
Creek.
enough food and
If
water
you
to be
are in
away
the
from.
affected area, you must prepare for any
No
possible
evacuation is
evacuation.
required at this time.
Fuel your vehicles
This
and
alert will be
gather
updated with
packs,
further
important
instructions as the
documents,
situation
medications,
progresses.
and enough
For
food and
details on
water to
preparing
be
for
away from your
wildfires
home
and
for 3 to
evacuations,
7
visit
days.
www.counted.tab.com.
This time, this alert will be updated with further instructions as the situation progresses.
Where can I park during street sweeping?
Preparing for wildfires and evacuations, visit www.counted.tab.com.